Hi, my name is Dr. Juan Fernandez. I'm consultant in ENT, head and neck surgery at Health Shield Medical Center in Ministry Complex. Usually when the patient is coming to the clinic, there are two kinds of complaints, let's say. One is, my husband, my wife are snoring and I cannot sleep. And the other complaint is, my wife or my husband is stopping of breathing when they are snoring. So then you can think that it's something a little bit more serious and you have to really investigate this. So if you have any ear, nose and throat problem, please come visit us and we will help you. And of course, if it's related with the snoring, we will help you to try to avoid this bothering problem.